Hello students, so today I will be discussing rock salt structure. What is rock salt structure? So NaCl has a rock salt structure. The unit cell content for NaCl is 4. Its coordination number is 6:6. If we find the radius ratio of NaCl, we find that the radius ratio comes out to be 0.525, which ranges from 0.414 to 0.732. That means its coordination number is 6:6 or coordination number is 6. So Na plus ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ion as well as 1 chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ion. It has an expanded face centered cubic arrangement. So the arrangement of NaCl is FCC or CCP, whereas the sodium ions are present at body center as well as edge centers, and the chloride ions are present at corners as well as faces. So if we find the number of Na plus ion and chloride ion, we find that Na plus, which are present at body center and edge center, gives Na plus 4, and Cl minus also give 4. So 4 units of NaCl are present. Cl minus forms closed packed structure being the larger anion, and Na plus occupies the octahedral void, which we can easily know from the formula. Now similar structures are shown by halides of like chlorides of potassium, like potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, ammonium chloride, silver chloride, silver bromide, except silver iodide. Even oxides and sulfides of alkaline earth metal except beryllium sulfides have similar rock salt type structure. Now let's discuss cesium chloride CaCl type structure. The structure of cesium chloride is BCC, body centered cubic structure. Here cesium ion is surrounded by 8 chloride ion, and each chloride ion is surrounded by 8 cesium ion. So the coordination number is 8:8. So in cesium chloride structure the coordination number is 8:8, and the radius ratio comes out to be 0.93 for cesium chloride, which is greater than 0.732. If the radius ratio is greater than 0.732, then the coordination number is 8. So in this cesium chloride structure, the cesium ion is present at the body center, whereas the chloride ions are present at the corners of the cube. Other examples include cesium bromide, cesium iodide, cesium cyanide, thallium chloride, thallium bromide, thallium iodide, even thallium cyanide. Now ZnS structure. The zinc sulfide structure is of two types, that is the zinc blende and the woodsite. Due to less electronegativity difference, it has significant covalent character. The radius ratio comes out to be 0.40. The ZnS structure is also found in compounds like CuCl, CuBr, CuI, AgI, and beryllium sulfide. It has a cubic close packed or FCC structure, with each zinc 2 plus ion is surrounded by 4 sulfide 2 ions, and 1 sulfide 2 ions are surrounded by 4 Zn2 plus. Zinc 2 plus ions are present in alternate tetrahedral voids. So in per unit cell there are 4 ZnS unit. In per unit cell there are 4 ZnS unit. Now let's see the fluorite structure. One of the most important example of fluorite structure is calcium fluoride, CaF2. It has a AB2 type structure in which Calcium ions are located at face-centered cubic lattice points, and fluoride ions occupy all 8 tetrahedral voids. The coordination number of CF2 is 8:4. Some other examples of fluoride structures are strontium fluoride SrF2, barium fluoride BaF2, lead fluoride PbF2, and barium chloride BaCl2. So these are the examples of fluoride structure. Anti-fluoride structure. This type of structures are opposite to fluoride structure. These are also called A to B type structure. One of the most important example is sodium oxide Na2O. Here the coordination number is 4:8. The oxide ion occupies the cubic closed arrangement, whereas the sodium ion occupy all tetrahedral voids. Some other examples of anti-fluoride structures are lithium oxide Li2O, K2O potassium oxide, rubidium oxide, and rubidium sulfides. So these were the structures of different solids. The rock salt structure NaCl, cesium chloride structure, ZnS structure which was similar to diamond, and fluoride structure calcium fluoride, anti-fluoride structure sodium oxide. So thank you student, we will be discussing next topic in my upcoming video. Thank you.